This big gate wall is on the Mescit Street, which is the line between the Armenian section and the Greek section. Behind us is pretty much where all the Greek churches have been seen. Come around this area by the Balık Pazarı Gider in the Kokoreç place. You come down here on the right. It's actually a very fascinating part of the wall that remains, and I call this the ecumenical wall, because up on that pillar on the left, sticking out, which is like a display pillar, is a cross. You have the Islamic writing, Seljuk most likely, but it's mixed in on the bottom of it. So right in the bottom of it, you can see some of the symbols from the older period. So on the right here, you can actually see it goes down. Somebody built a house along it a few years ago. Nothing remains today. From this, right across from this, is a dig that I've been keeping my eyes on for years, and I don't know what it is, but every time I come by, it's different stuff. Some pillars down there and a wall, retaining wall. So it looks like it's a capital, and so there's different things, or at least a base of a pillar. And up here on the left side of it, there is more. About a year or so ago, in 2023, they started digging out these sections. So I haven't. Looks like they're building on top of these ruins. So this is a building project. It's being built on top of ruins. You can see the old wall there in the middle. So I have no idea what this is, but this is right up the street from the Lord's pub. This is actually the back side of the, across the street from that section there. We just looked at. There's actually someone's yard, and they have some ruins here. You have an old Greek well in the back of the yard. You have a base for a pillar, and look like some other parts. It looks like pieces of wood that they're sitting on, but very interesting area. Everybody's house has some ruins.